This is lesson 170, letters and sounds. Now, today is actually the last of our lessons. The rest of the papers in your packet are going to be for just for practice and fun. So this is our last actual paper. So let's go on to the next item. And if you could get a piece of blank paper, because this you're going to be drawing some stuff. This is for fun, okay? Because it's our last lesson. Okay, here we go. If you have got your paper, this is square. Okay, this is actually a special sound, but it's further down. It's like a first grade word. So square. So you're going to draw a square. Mine is kind of crooked. Ugh. Let me try that one again. Let me see if I can do that one. Oops. I'm going to cheat on this one a little bit. I'm going to make a square. Okay, my square is perfectly square. But that wasn't fair, was it? Okay, so let me get my... Okay, so that's a square. This is French. For eyes. French fries. Ooh, cool. Let's see, we got French fries sticking out here. And you can make them any color you want. Remember the golden arches? That's kind of strange. Okay, so let's go back to what color? Oh, I had blue. I like blue. So you can make French fries with golden arches, or you can do Burger King fries if you want. Truck. Oh, let's see. I like pick 'em up truck. Got a pickup truck. I got a pickup truck. Sometimes that's a really strange looking truck. Kind of big in front. Okay, so there's a truck. Now we have a R in stars, A-R. Don't write a star. K-R, car. Oh, I get to draw a car too. Truck and a car. This isn't... You can draw a race car if you want, but mine's kind of shaky. Okay, so it's going to be a sports car. So, vroom. There you go. I like having fun stuff like this to do. Let's see. Coal. Out. Ooh, that one's not too hard to do. Okay. Or in morning. O-R. Fork. Well, let's see. I got too many pokey things on that. So anyway, so you could have fun with that. So you read those and you draw the pictures of it. My square didn't go away, so let me just see if I can get that and make it go away too. Okay, it's gone. Let's go to the paper. Okay, so this we have some words down here, and we have blanks. So here we go. It says choose a word that best completes each sentence. Write the word in the blank. Let's read this. And by now you should be able to do just reading this. Jane is at the blank. What is Jane at? Is she at the airport? No, she's not at the airport. Let's see what we got. Crab. Is she at the crab? She sees a crab, but I don't think she's at the crab. Dig. Jane is at the dig. No. Beach. Jane is at the beach. Oh, yeah, she is. So you would write this word on that line. Got it? So let's go to the next one. Remember that sight word. The sand is blank. The sand is crab. The sand is dig. We already did that one. Let me cross that one out because that one's already used. The sand is wet. Oh, so that would go there. So I'm crossing that one out. You have to write it in, though. You've got to write it in. Jane likes to blank. Jane likes to crab or Jane likes to dig? Ooh, dig. That's a good one. So that's done. She sees a blank. What is she looking at? Crab. So you're going to have to do that by yourself a little bit. Okay, I kind of helped you with that, but I didn't write it in. You need to do that. On the back of this, Emma and her friends started kindergarten last fall. Now they are almost ready for first grade. Help them find their way to the first grade room. Start at A and color the letters of the alphabet in order. The next letter must be touching the box of the last letter. A, B, and C are colored for you. So you see A, B, and C are already colored. So you can't go A, B, C. Oh, let's see, where's D? Oh, there's a D. You have to be A, B, C, and find one that's touching. So you see a D? I'm going to get my coloring paper. There. So A, B. Oh, I got to get a big one right there. See that big enough? Yeah. So after C comes D. Then what's after D? E. Do you see one touching? E. F. So you sing the same alphabet song if you want. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's right. H, I. Now you got to see, you can't go down because there's no J down here. H, I, J. K, where would they go for K? L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now you'd be there at the first grade room. Okay, so that's kind of an easy thing to do. So you just color and follow the line till you get, don't miss any alphabet. You have to go through it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. My voice is going out. Okay, so that's enough of that. Hope you're singing it better than I am. Let's see. I do have, we do have a number skills practice and a test today. So this, I'm going to clear it. Yep, there we go. And go back to the first. This is our letters and sounds. Please go to our number skills practice and our number skills test today. And I will talk at you in a little while. Bye-bye.